Have you noticed? I don't think Tony's built any of our stuff.
Well,
I'm assuming
he started.
Huh?
He sent those pictures.
He started?
Of him starting, yeah.
Tony?
Yeah.
I missed that.
Yeah, he made like a little weird YouTube video of the stinky fish.
Street, let the groove stay rougher than rough. Ignorance is enough. On the media tips so that the reader must grip on reality. Don't let them gas up your mentality. This style started from the essence, not the magazine, Maybelline, cold cream, Afro sheen tip. Coming deep into the soul, cause I mean it. Disciples of pop want to redeem it. No, I don't know why. Why is that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in me. Continue, you're just gonna fall in the midst of a hip-hop blitz with a trip back to the batter, to the gladness of the pitter. Watch me rid up all type of TV screens, movie type scenes, just like blues, hip-hop pay dues. Dues can be recouped if you act suit, making pop beats or keep it straight. Block party, 1981. People having fun, no one with a gun, no duckets, you pay nothing at the gate, you escape to the sounds of a cold crushed tape. In your back pocket, rappers always clocked it, jump on the realistic mic, then rock it. No clock, don't stop until Mother Nature says no conflict between usual knuckleheads. That didn't affect the morale of the crowd, just those kids pump the set up loud. Nowadays, our appearance is a big part of it, everybody wants a Mr. T starter kit. Hip-hop has always been you have a beat with another man, step to him and throw your hands. Come back and dance to the rhythm of a James Brown beat and keep it street.
Children growing, women producing, men go working from the field. Children growing.
In 1990, you will get another treat. That's harder than concrete, unique, don't compete. Lyrical format uses a rap as a doormat. You should have come sooner if you wanted to kick a rumor. Never try to jest unless you like your flesh all scarred, ripped and done hard. Cause kid, you don't realize that in my part of town, you'll get killed if you wanna act a clown. Grab your heart, play a part and pledge allegiance. School's in, so let's begin your first regents. Open your book, here's a number 2 pencil. Feel the vibe of a sharp instrumental. No pop tunes, only rough street beats. You can sample, snag a big jack. I'll stay with my
Oh, I think I shit my pants.